How to enable or disable hide status bar icons on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on notifications. So you will see notifications is here, so click on notifications. Now here, so click on do not disturb. So after click on do not disturb, so scroll down and click on hide notifications. So after click on hide notification, you will see hide status bar icons is here. So if you want to enable hide status bar icons, so turn on this button, you will see hide status bar icon is enabled. So if you want to disable hide status bar icons, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see hide status bar icon is disabled. So you will enable or disable hide status bar icons from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable hide status bar icons on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.